Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Unlinked application to your Fire Stick as well as the best codes to use inside that app. It's going to allow you to jailbreak your Fire Stick, or in other words, to load hundreds of apps that are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And you'll be able to get apps for movies, live TV, TV shows, sports, spicy content, and so on. The whole process is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get Unlinked to your device. First of all, of course, you'll have to get an app called Unloader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, you just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar we start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Let's click on Downloader, and there's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it is not over yet. You still have to set it up. So in order to actually stop Downloader, you have to go to Settings right here by clicking on that button with a gear icon. Then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So you open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. After that, go to install and on apps. From here you have to locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, and there you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Switzerland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now let's go back to the list of apps on your device and open the Downloader application. There on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, and now here in that search bar we'll have to enter a link, which is going to be unlinked.link. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's unlinked.link. Here you go. There's the link, you can see it on your screen right now, so just enter it as you see and make sure not to make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link is not going to work. After that, click on Go, And while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about fire sticks. Then after the website has opened, you just scroll down a bit until you find that Download APK Android button. Let's click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Then click install, and now Unlinked will be installed on your Fire Stick. And after it was installed, don't click on open yet. Instead press on done, because this way we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way you can get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default you don't have too much of free space anyway. Then we'll have to go to settings once again, to My Fire TV, open it, to developer options, install unknown apps, and this time we'll have to turn that option on for Unlinked as well, because we'll be using Unlinked to download other applications from the internet. After that, we go to the list of applications on your app, open it, and there's the Unlinked, which we just installed. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way Unlinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then finally, let's open Unlinked. Here you'll have to click on Add a New Library, and there in the search bar we'll have to enter the codes, and the first code is going to be Fire Stick. Yep, just Fire Stick as a word. So just enter Fire Stick right here in the search bar. There it is. Enter it like you see, and then you'll have to click on Next. And here I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, as I'm not allowed to show you the exact applications available in that app store. But I'll just tell you what you are going to get here. So there's a lot of movie applications, TV shows, live TV applications, sports apps, IPTV players, media players of all kinds of utility apps, and so on. So this app store is pretty big. The majority of apps in here are updated and should work fine on pretty much any Fire Stick device, or even Android TV. So that was the first code of today. Now let's go back and I'll show you one more amazing code that you can use in Unlinked application. So you have to click on Add a New Download, and now we'll have to enter the second code, which is going to be everything. Yep, everything as a word. So it's pretty simple. There you go, there's the code. Just enter it as you see and click on Next. And here I had to blur out screen for the same reason as previously, but this app store is also amazing. It's got a lot of spicy applications, if you know what I mean. Movie apps, TV shows, media players, IPTV players, sports apps, coding related stuff, alternative app stores for your Fire Stick, web browsers, Fire Stick cleaners, Virus Total, Task Killer, and so on. So this app store is also pretty decent. So today you learned how to get Unlinked to your Fire Stick, as well as the best codes to use there. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye bye.